Alright, here's a quick review video of the EV Peak A1 charger. Got this one from GetFPV. And just a quick impromptu review I wanted to do, because I didn't find one when I was looking for this, and it seems to be a fairly new product on the interwebs. So this one is capable of giving a 10 amp charge and a 5 amp discharge. Pretty sweet. Up to 100 watts charging. Real quick through the menus here. First one you're probably going to be using most is the Lipo option. There's several other charging types, as you would expect. Not even sure what that one is. You can use this right here to provide power to any kind of device, computer, whatever you needed. Don't plan on using that anytime soon. Here's your setup menu. You can change different things. There's 3 pages here with a super handy stylus, which is neat, that actually slides in this little stowaway spot right here. Go back out. 3 pages worth of things here, and you can use your finger. It's just kind of maybe your fingernail. It's just not as accurate as your stylus. So you can change the backlight settings, the melody. There's several different types here. I like that one. Buzzer sound for the end when it's finished. Yes, enter. Okay, and what do we got here? Page 3, factory reset. You can put your own name in there. How cool is that? Okay, and view. You can view whatever battery you have plugged in. You can see per cell what you got, and it'll give you the internal resistance on this menu right here. You can also just choose to balance your batteries right here if you want to just do that without charging, I guess. And this is pretty much the most handy thing, of course, is the memory. So you can pre-program in all these different 4 pages worth of memories. And I'm just using a few of them there. And as far as programming it, it's pretty simple. You just would be over here on your Lipo, hit charge, come down here, change how many cells you got, what your milliamperage is. And fortunately it actually figures out your current for you. If you just want to up that, it automatically changes your amperage for you. So I'm going to change this back to what I had, 39. You'd hit enter there. Now as far as programming it into a memory spot, you just hit escape, go back 1 page to the memo. Let's say we want to just go down here, put it in a new one. All you got to do is hit save, and it remembers it. And when you want to recall it, pull it up, just choose a different one. I'm going to go back on here because that's what I'm actually going to charge right now. Load that. There you go. It comes with this little balance port, which is only good for one, obviously. So I got a 6-pack XT60 all the way up to a 6S. I just got some caps on it at the moment. And so anyways, I got my 3 set up in here. You got your standard balance port plug for up to 6 cells, your input, or your output I should say. And this thing was only 15 bucks from GetFPV, and you can set up another one and do, I think, 2 sets of these if you needed to, maybe. I'm only planning to use the one, but anyway. Once you're all set there, all you gotta do is hold enter. And it does a system check, make sure it's good to go. And it will give you an error fault code if it's not, and I've had that happen already once with another little problem I had, but no big deal. It looks like it goes back on its own. So just hold down enter and then hit start. Gives you your timeout, how many milliamps it's put back in there, your voltage, your charge power, so on and so forth. And while it's charging, you can pull up the units, look at each cell, up to 6. And it's also got a graph, which is pretty handy. So that pretty much covers it. It's my first actual real charger upgraded from a standard little E-Flight one I've been dealing with forever. Dumb charger for 3S. This one would take forever, obviously, but that's what came with my Blade 450, so that's what I was using on these 2200s. And this thing's pretty good. I recommend it. It's got the AC adapter built in, obviously, so just plugs right in. Comes with a couple ports for your DC in if you want to hook it up to your car battery or whatever. I highly recommend it. It's pretty small, pretty compact, pretty good for travel maybe. And give it a thumbs up. Enjoy. I guess I can give a quick close-up on the fan. Pretty heavy-duty fan there. It's pretty nice. Some nice heat sinks on the bottom. And like I said, the stylus just slides right back in its own little holder. Pretty nice. Ta-da!